Alright guys, so today we're just going to be looking at some new, I don't know. So today we're just going to be looking at some white noise Easter eggs. So this one, it's pretty much like all these like little chibis and stuff. Like Doc chibis, I'm pretty sure there's one. Monty chibi, it's pretty much like the charm. So we're just going to be going straight into it. And I didn't make it. Okay, that really helps. There we go. Alright. So create as player. And we're just gonna go straight into this. So, pretty much we're just gonna be exploring different rooms, and just trying to find some different Easter eggs. I already know 3 of them, but if you guys know any more, that would be greatly appreciated. Just type it down below in the comment section. Let me get the reflex. I've not used Dokkaebi in a while. It's my phone. Great. All right. It doesn't matter where you spawn, but we're just gonna be going
the biohazard container.
Places. So I gotta try and find the CEO room.
Seconds to insertion. Insertion in 5 seconds. Location of biohazard container unknown. Clear to engage.
Where shows a map that I can see? They're already here. Already here. Okay, I'm not gonna. Let me find my other drone. We don't talk about that. So this was bar. It's bonsai room. This is fountain. Dead end. Restaurant hallway. What's in here? Balcony, kitchen, bird room. So our first glitch, I think it's right here. So our first glitch is gonna, okay. Our first Easter egg is going to be in here. And then you have like a little thing. And then I think you jump, no, I think you jump to the books right here. There we go. And then when you run, you have to go and then kind of just jump into it, and then it will create a hole like this right here. I don't know what that says. So when you go down here, wait, I hope Hold on, let me see. Okay, for some reason my Windows is not working. Okay, so the desktop audio is all the way down, or almost all the way down. What's gonna happen is you're gonna go into here, and then I don't know why it doesn't work, but it should pop up with this thing right here, and this is the R6 loading screen, so you'll see
15 seconds.
that right there.
10 seconds remaining.
We're just gonna wait until go.
5 seconds left. We did not secure the biohazard container in time. Mission failed.
Alright, so let's look at the next one. So what I'm reading off of is that this next video is in supply room. So we've got to try and find supply room. Oh, I think I know where supply room is. Okay, I know where it is. Let me just put myself into there real quick.
Secure the room. We need to protect the biohazard container.
I haven't placed this down yet. I don't know why I'm placing it down, just
10 seconds left. 5 seconds and counting. Op 4 has failed to find the biohazard container. All friendlies were eliminated. Mission failure.
I'm gonna try and do this as quickly as possible, but I know exactly where this this next place is. So I think we get both down right now.
Find the biohazard container location.
First, I'm just gonna point it to the place where we know it is. Sorry, just use my drone.
Seconds before insertion. 5 seconds. Location of biohazard container unknown. Clear to engage.
I'm trying to head back to the same place to find the smoke chibi because I think it's smoke one, I don't know. First, we're gonna look at this place right here. Right here, you could easily see Tachanka's chibi. That's horrible jump. And you can see that it's so detailed that they have the 61, the mag, the gun, the eyes too. Oh my god, they have the same thing. So obviously that's Tachanka. Next, I'm gonna quickly run over this area right here. Fly room right here. Right there. So you kind of see. Oh, what chibi is that? but you can see that that's Monty Nang's or Monty's chibi. Don't really need that. And then let's go back to the same place where it's at. Try and find the smoke chibi. No, I think I fucking forgot where it was already. I can't pause the timer either, god damn it. I think it's somewhere here. No, it's not here. I know it's on this first floor somewhere. Great, we just went in a fucking circle.
Seconds remaining.
But I know there's a smoke chibi somewhere there.
10 seconds.
For the next one.
Biohazard container located. Secure the room. Protect the bio container. Cease securing the room.
Dude, I ran to the door.
We did not secure the biohazard container in time. Mission failed.
Look at this, bro. Oh my god. Alright, but now I'm going to try and does he have? Yes, he has some picks. I'm gonna try and find where the next one is. I think it's in tea room, honestly. No. You know, it's in the restaurant. Is it in a restaurant? I don't know. That's that. That's the Chanka. The CEO's office. So, second floor, CEO's office. The next one is...
Barricade the room. We need to protect the biohazard container.
So we literally passed by 10 times. Wait, no. No, it's this one. Yes, it's that one. Alright. Here you see. Dude. There it is. Ash cheek. And it's about the same size as a goose.
10 seconds.
Actually, kind of, yeah, actually the same size, to be honest.
5 seconds to insertion. Biohazard container location unknown. Keep it secure.
And then the next one is actually right here, not too far. And it's somewhere. So that is an IQ chibi right there. So there's all those chibis currently. Let me see if there's any more ones that I can get on defense. So that's the IQ one. Same size as that. And then so then you have this last one that we got into, but then it ran out. Alright, so the smoke chibi is right there. Alright. This gun is actually pretty fucking good. run out of vision? Tower still works. I think they'll patch it already. Oh, wait. I'm gonna stack it up a lot. I'm doing that. I want to try
Down to
find
15 seconds.
more things.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Op 4 failed to secure the container in time. Mission success.
Let's go. So our next one is going to be pretty easy now because we know where it is, but it's just I need to figure out where the room is. So what we're gonna do is we're going to try and alright, so it's in. Oh, okay, alright, so I'm done. We literally passed by it like 15 times.
Find the biohazard container location.
Hot take, they should actually kind of buff,
Secure the container. The biohazard ceased securing the room.
secure that. Open up this wall. I'm bored. First, open up that, and I saw that somebody said that we should throw a grenade into it.
Secure the biohazard
That
container.
would
Cease securing the container.
I'm actually about to run out of time. Oh yeah, so that does work then. So you have that I don't know why it doesn't work. And then you have a smoke chibi right here. And then that's actually it. That's all the ones that I could find here. Without
15 seconds left.
actually the what is it? The IQ one was the only one that I needed help with, but this one was prior knowledge that I already
5
knew
seconds.
about. But I'll see you guys in the next video.
We failed to secure the biocontainer in time. Op 4 wins.